What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, as promised, I'm bringing you guys the Janet collection of butterfly locks bob. This is a crochet style, so you do not have to use any wrapping. Cuts down on time. It's just all over a bomb. As always, if this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, don't forget to subscribe, join the core crew family down below. Click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If you would like to see how I install these butterfly locks, and definitely keep watching, and then at the end I will tell you some do's and don'ts and some pros and cons about this hair. What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve butterfly locks using crochet. The hair that I'm using was sent to me by Janet Collection. It is their Nala Tress 3x butterfly locks in 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14. They come pre-looped, pre-distressed, which means no wrapping. To start off, my hair is braided into individuals. This makes it easy for us to go in and crochet. I would suggest maybe bigger parts, but yeah. So now to crochet. I think everyone kind of knows the process of crocheting, but if you are not familiar, what you're going to need is your pre-looped butterfly locks and then a crochet needle, and you're going to basically take the needle and go underneath the braid, looping in the crochet braid, looping it through, and then hiding the braid. So that's what you're seeing my mom do right now. She just finished attaching the braid, and now it's time to thread the braid through the butterfly lock so you can't see my braid.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless.
For this tutorial, I really wanted to make sure that I had a number of different angles. So here is another angle for you all. My mother has attached the butterfly lock, and now she's going through and hiding the braid into the butterfly lock so you can't see my braid. This makes it look so natural, and I love doing individuals just because it doesn't give that bulky crochet look. Instead, it looks very natural and like you spent hours, but literally they were pre-wrapped, so you weren't spending hours and hours on your hair.
I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
So you guys, before I wrap up this video, I did want to come back and kind of give you guys my final thoughts on this Janet collection Tress butterfly locks. Honestly, I would recommend them just because it really does cut down on time, especially if you're not a big fan of wrapping. It already comes pre-distressed, pre-looped, which makes it super easy to achieve the butterfly locks in like half the time. The downside to these butterfly locks is that the loops that you have to crochet the hair into are really small, and you can stretch them, but sometimes they can't be stretched, so that's kind of annoying. But other than that, I love these, and it's really such a cute style, and again, it cuts down the time, so who doesn't love that?
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my.
Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I definitely recommend them, but there is a little bit of a learning curve with these butterfly locks. So obviously this cuts down on the time a lot since they're already pre-made and there's no wrapping involved in this style, so that's definitely a plus. But there are some cons. The biggest con is the loops. Like, you guys will see I have some footage of the loops and they're really small. Sometimes you can stretch them so that it's able to so that you're able to create a knot in order to attach the crochet braid, but sometimes you're not able to actually like stretch it. So that was the biggest con for me, is the loops. They're pretty small. My one tip of advice is to definitely have less braids than me. Like, I had a lot of braids. And you do not need that, especially with this hair, because they're so thick. If you have more braids, that means it's going to get bigger and bigger, so you really want a small amount of braids, which means you don't have to use as much hair. All in all, I definitely recommend this. It was so much easier than us trying to wrap it, and they already come pre-distressed. They look so good, so natural, especially if you do the individual method like me. But with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Core Crew family down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.